Hello, and welcome back to another episode of your favorite English learning podcast. If you want to speak English more confidently and naturally in your daily life, then you're in the right place. This episode is all about practicing real English conversations that you can use every single day. So get comfortable and let's start practicing together. Let's imagine a simple morning routine. Listen, repeat, and speak along with me. Good morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. How about you? Yes, I did. How about you? I'm still a little sleepy. I'm still a little sleepy. Let me make some coffee. Let me make some coffee. Thanks. That would be great. Thanks. That would be great. Do you want some breakfast? Do you want some breakfast? Yes, please. Maybe just toast and eggs. Yes, please. Maybe just toast and eggs. All right. I'll make it now. All right. I'll make it now. Let's continue with some more common daily expressions. You can use these at home, at work, or when you're out and about. Try to repeat after me, speak out loud, and feel more confident. What time is it? What time is it? It's almost 9 o'clock. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'm running late. I'm running late. Hurry up. Hurry up. We'll miss the bus. We'll miss the bus. No worries. We can take a taxi. No worries. We can take a taxi. Let's go now. Let's go now. Keep going with me. This is how you build your fluency, step by step, line by line. Let's do a small role play now. Imagine you're at a coffee shop. Hi, can I help you? Hi, can I help you? Yes, I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Yes, I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Sure. What kind? Sure. What kind? A cappuccino, please. A cappuccino, please. Anything else? Anything else? No, that's all. No, that's all. For here or to go? For here or to go? To go, please. To go, please. All right, that'll be $3. All right, that'll be $3. Here you go. Here you go. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee. Thank you. Enjoy your coffee. This kind of practice helps you get used to common patterns in English. Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to speak and keep speaking. Now, let's try some short conversations that you might have at work. Hey, how was your weekend? Hey, how was your weekend? It was good, thanks. I went hiking. It was good, thanks. I went hiking. Nice. Where'd you go? Nice. Where'd you go? I went to Blue Mountain. I went to Blue Mountain. Sounds great. I love that place. Sounds great. I love that place. How about you? How about you? Just stayed home and relaxed. Just stayed home and relaxed. That's nice too. We all need some rest. That's nice too. We all need some rest. Let's keep going. The more you hear, the more you speak, the faster you improve. Here's a conversation at the grocery store. Hi, do you work here? Hi, do you work here? Yes, how can I help you? Yes, how can I help you? I'm looking for the pasta section. I'm looking for the pasta section. It's in aisle 3. It's in aisle 3. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else. Now, let's practice some questions you can ask people every day. What do you do? What do you do? Where are you from? Where are you from? Do you live around here? Do you live around here? Have we met before? Have we met before? Do you come here often? Do you come here often? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Each of these questions helps you start a friendly conversation in English. Use them when meeting new people. Don't worry if your grammar isn't perfect. Your goal is communication, not perfection. Let's now switch to a different setting, talking to a friend on the phone. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you? I'm good. What about you? I'm good. What about you? I'm doing all right. Just finished work. I'm doing all right. Just finished work. Want to hang out later? Want to hang out later? Sure. What time? Sure. What time? Around 7? Around 7? Sounds good. See you then. Sounds good. See you then. Practicing these everyday conversations will help you speak more naturally and understand faster. We're going to continue with even more useful conversations and common expressions you'll love using. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Where have you been recently? I went to Thailand last month. That sounds amazing. How was it? It was beautiful. I really enjoyed the beaches and the food. Do you usually travel alone? Sometimes, but I prefer going with friends. Now, let's move on to a few more conversations that can happen throughout your day. This time, imagine you're at the office. Good morning. Good morning. Did you finish the report? Yes, I sent it last night. Great, thanks. The meeting starts at 10. All right, I'll be ready. Need help with the presentation? Yes, could you check the slides? Sure, I'll look at them now. Thanks a lot. See how natural that sounded? Practice these lines again and again. Soon, they'll come to you automatically when you're in similar situations. Let's go into some everyday small talk. These are short conversations we have with people we don't know well. Nice weather today, isn't it? Yeah, it's really sunny. Feels like summer already. It does. I hope it stays like this all week. Fingers crossed. Yeah. Let's practice more useful lines that can help you sound more natural in conversation. Really? That's interesting. I didn't know that. Tell me more. What do you think? Sounds good. No way! That's awesome! Exactly. I was thinking the same. Now, let's do a quick repetition round now. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it out loud. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I'm not sure how to do it. I'm not sure how to do it. Let's figure it out together. Let's figure it out together. Thanks, I appreciate it. Thanks, I appreciate it. Now, let's jump into a conversation at a restaurant. Hi there, are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich, please. Would you like something to drink? Just water, please. All right. Anything else? No, that's all for now. Thank you. Sure, I'll bring it right out. Thanks. This is a great way to train your ear and your mouth at the same time. Listen carefully, speak clearly, and try to keep a natural pace. Let's do some review with random questions and answers. What's your name? My name is Alex. Where do you live? I live in New York City. What do you do for a living? I'm a graphic designer. Do you like your job? Yes, I really enjoy it. What do you do in your free time? I like reading and going for walks. What's your favorite kind of music? I like jazz and indie rock. What time do you usually wake up? Around 7 a.m. Do you cook at home? Yes, I cook almost every day. Try answering those questions about yourself, too. Pause this episode if you need more time, and speak your answers out loud. Don't worry about being perfect, just keep speaking. Let's now do some practice with daily routine vocabulary. I'll say it, and you repeat. Wake up. Brush your teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to work. Eat lunch. Come home. Make dinner. Watch TV. Go to bed. Great job. Now, try saying your own routine now. Say it in English, step by step. Just speak. Don't worry about mistakes. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. Now, let's try a few helpful expressions when you don't understand something. Could you say that again? Sorry, I didn't catch that. What does that mean? How do you spell that? Can you speak a little slower, please? I'm still learning English. All of these are polite and very useful. You can use them anywhere, anytime. Let's keep the flow going. Imagine you're meeting someone new. Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you, Sarah. I'm Daniel. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. How about you? I'm from Canada. Oh, I've always wanted to visit Canada. You should. It's really beautiful in the summer. This is a friendly and simple way to start conversations. You can always ask where someone is from, what they do, or what they like to do in their free time. Let's do some quick practice with these questions. Where are you from? What do you do? What's your favorite food? Do you like movies? What kind of music do you like? Have you been to another country? Do you speak other languages? Now, try answering each one in your own words. All of these are polite and very useful when you're having conversations in English. Don't be afraid to ask questions or ask someone to repeat themselves. People usually appreciate the effort you're making to speak their language. Now, let's go through one final practice session. I'll ask the question, you try to answer out loud. What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you do after work? How do you spend your weekends? What's your favorite place in your city? Try to speak your answers naturally. Even if you make a few mistakes, it's okay. That's how learning works. Before we wrap up, here are a few simple tips to help you keep improving your English every day. 1. Speak every day, even if it's just to yourself. 2. Listen to English podcasts, music, or shows regularly. 3. Repeat phrases and sentences out loud. Shadowing really helps. 4. Don't worry about grammar too much. Focus on communication. 5. Be confident. Mistakes are part of the journey. You're doing a great job. Keep practicing these daily conversations. Use what you learned today in real life, at work, at a restaurant, on the phone, or with friends. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Thanks for spending your time with me today. I hope this episode gave you some useful expressions and confidence to use English in your daily life. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. Take care and talk to you soon.